Welcome to Review Lab. The best unstoppable black woman is probably one of the most empowering and inspiring concepts to emerge in recent times, offering a powerful narrative that celebrates the resilience, strength, and multifaceted achievements of black women across all walks of life, encouraging them to break barriers and redefine success on their own terms. Number 5. Maybelline Unstoppable Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, 2-pack. Introducing the Maybelline Unstoppable Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. Achieve a flawless look that lasts all day and night. Its smooth glide formula makes application a breeze. Get the perfect winged liner or a subtle definition with ease. Enjoy up to 24 hours of wear without smudging or fading. Feel confident and unstoppable, no matter the occasion. This deep onyx black shade provides intense color payoff. Define your eyes with a bold and striking finish. Get 2 pencils in this convenient pack. Always have your favorite eyeliner on hand for touch-ups or a fresh application. What we like? Achieve a flawless look that lasts all day and night. Its waterproof formula ensures no smudging, and the smooth glide makes application effortless. If you're looking for reliable, long-lasting definition for busy days or special occasions, this is your go-to. What people say. The book provides actionable strategies for personal growth and empowerment. Readers will find practical advice on overcoming challenges and building resilience. The content is well structured and easy to follow, offering a clear roadmap for success. Number 4. Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser. Introducing the Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser, designed to bring order to your laundry space. It's perfect for organizing beads, powders, and other small solids. This BPA-free dispenser isn't just for laundry scent boosters. It's also ideal for stain remover powder, rice, and other small grains, keeping them neatly stored and accessible. For optimal performance with powders, a gentle stir with a stick can ensure smooth dispensing, especially in humid conditions. This helps prevent clumping and ensures easy use. Reclaim your tabletop space with this wall-mountable dispenser. Easily installed in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, it offers a sleek and efficient storage solution. Our upgraded design features a 50% larger sticker and included screws for a firm, reliable hold on any wall surface. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it won't fall off. Dispensing is a breeze. Simply aim the cup at the center of the raised button for an easy, energy-saving press every time. It's designed for your convenience. To maintain its integrity, please avoid placing it in high-temperature areas, such as near a dryer. This simple precaution will prevent melting and corrosion, ensuring its longevity. What we like? Organize your laundry room and simplify your routine. This dispenser is perfect for beads, powders, and other small solids, keeping them accessible and tidy. If you want to save counter space and have your scent boosters ready to go with a simple press, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It mounts onto the wall with sticky tabs and is actually very secure. It's easy to fill up, the lid has a rubber seal so it's closed really good and nothing is going to fall in it. It comes with a plastic measuring cup. Number 3. Downy Unstopables Lush Scent Booster Beads. Tired of your laundry losing its scent after just one wash? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh for longer. Experience the invigorating Lush scent that lasts. These powerful beads are designed to infuse your fabrics with a delightful fragrance. Simply toss them into your washing machine with your regular detergent. They work with every load, enhancing your laundry's aroma. Enjoy a burst of freshness that stays with your clothes, even after drying. Say goodbye to dull, scentless laundry. Transform your everyday wash into a luxurious sensory experience. Discover the difference Downy Unstoppables can make. What we like? Infuse your clothes with a delightful, long-lasting fragrance from the very first wash. It works with your detergent to enhance the scent of your entire load. If you love the idea of your laundry smelling amazing long after it's dried, this is the product for you. What people say. This book is a powerful and inspiring guide for women seeking to unlock their full potential. The author provides practical strategies and actionable advice that can be implemented immediately. Unstoppable Black Woman offers a unique perspective on overcoming challenges and achieving success. Number 2. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Tired of laundry that loses its scent after a wash? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh for weeks. These powerful scent booster beads are designed to be added directly to your washing machine. They infuse your fabrics with a delightful, long-lasting fragrance. Using them is incredibly simple. Just toss a capful into your wash along with your detergent. It's that easy to elevate your laundry routine. Experience the invigorating, fresh scent that awakens your senses. It's a clean and crisp aroma that you'll love. Perfect for all your loads, from everyday clothes to bedding. Enjoy a burst of freshness that lasts, wash after wash. This generous 20.1-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of scent boosters for many laundry cycles to come. Get ready for a truly unforgettable scent experience. What we like. Enjoy a refreshing scent that elevates your laundry experience. These beads are designed to be added directly to your washer for a burst of freshness. If you prefer a clean, crisp fragrance and a convenient way to boost your laundry scent, this option is ideal. What people say. Safe for all skin types, including extremely sensitive skin and/or eczema. Scent control by adding more or less beads to each load. Fresh smelling for up to 6 weeks. Number 1. MIRITY Women Racerback Sports Bra. Experience the ultimate support for your high-impact activities. This bra is designed to keep you comfortable and secure, no matter the intensity. Engineered for peak performance, it offers superior stability during intense workouts. Move with confidence knowing you have reliable support. Whether you're hitting the gym or engaging in any active pursuit, this activewear bra is your perfect companion. It provides the freedom you need to excel. Crafted with premium materials, it ensures lasting comfort and exceptional durability. Enjoy a perfect fit that moves with you. Elevate your gym sessions with this essential piece of activewear. It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking both style and function. What we like. Experience maximum support and freedom of movement during your toughest workouts. The Racerback design ensures stability and comfort, allowing you to focus on your performance. If you need a reliable bra for high-intensity activities like running or gym training, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This is a great book that will help you to become a better person. The author provides practical advice that you can use in your daily life. The book is well written and easy to understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.